Alrighty, y'all, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you're not new. It's your average driveway mechanic. Let's get into the video. So today we're going to be going over how to patch a hole in your floor. Now, whether that be a patch from rust, like I've previously done, or whether it be from a 4-wheel drive to a 2-wheel drive swap. So first things first, you're going to want a clean welding surface. So that is what we got here. And now we're gonna go ahead and take a measurement and put the measurement on a piece of metal. So we have some 16 gauge sheet metal, but I measured that by like a 5x6, so it's like 5 1/4 by 6 1/4. So now we're gonna cut this out. I'm done cutting my little template out. That's what it looks like so far. Laying the piece down just like this, we've traced it from the underside and we've cut it out for the most part. From here, we're going to maybe take just a little bit more off. Just really quick here, you can see before I've done any welding that I hit the piece down a little bit. I've got it marked out just where the edge of that hole is there. So now I can go and I can cut a little bit more off and start the welding process. Alrighty, y'all, so here's the finished product before I start to weld. You can see it's now welded in. Let's go ahead and disconnect the battery, start welding. So now that I've gotten this top part just slightly tacked in here, you can see it's lifting up on the, well, it was a lot more bouncy before I tacked it down, but you can see it's pulled up. So now we're gonna go ahead and whack it into place. That's pretty good for the first little whack. I'm gonna go ahead and tack this side. This is your finished product. You can see that it essentially matches the curve of the floor where it normally would be. Looks like an OEM replacement. We'll go ahead and flip to the underside. And here's what the underside of the weld looks like. You can see that there's no sunlight coming through. So, pretty good patch. If you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. Y'all have a good one. Peace.